Welcome to an extraordinary video that will unveil the incredible benefits of affiliate marketing for your business. In this captivating and unique journey, we will explore the world of affiliate marketing, revealing its potential to drive massive growth, expand your reach, and boost your revenue. Get ready to dive deep into the strategies, techniques, and secrets of successful affiliate marketing. Are you ready to unlock the power of partnerships? Let's get started.
Section 1: Understanding Affiliate Marketing.
Discover the fundamentals of affiliate marketing, how it works, and why it has become a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes. Learn about the different players in affiliate marketing, including affiliates, merchants, and customers, and how they all benefit from this collaborative approach.
Section 2: Benefits for Businesses.
Explore the advantages that affiliate marketing brings to your business, including increased brand exposure, cost-effective marketing, and access to new audiences. Learn how affiliate marketing can generate substantial revenue streams and boost your overall sales.
Section 3: Building a Successful Affiliate Program.
Discover the essential steps to create a thriving affiliate program, from setting clear goals and defining commission structures to attracting and nurturing top-performing affiliates. Learn how to track and analyze your affiliate program's performance to optimize your strategies and maximize results.
Section 4: Effective Affiliate Marketing Strategies.
Explore a variety of effective strategies to drive affiliate marketing success, including content marketing collaborations, influencer partnerships, and email marketing campaigns. Discover how providing affiliates with valuable resources, such as banners, product samples, and exclusive offers, can enhance their promotion efforts and yield greater results.
Section 5: Building Strong Affiliate Relationships.
Learn how to cultivate meaningful relationships with your affiliates, providing support, communication, and incentives to foster loyalty and long-term collaboration. Explore the power of networking in the affiliate marketing industry and how connecting with like-minded individuals can open doors to new opportunities.
Section 6: Mitigating Challenges and Ensuring Compliance.
Discover common challenges in affiliate marketing and strategies to overcome them, including dealing with fraudulent activity and managing affiliate relationships. Learn about the legal aspects of affiliate marketing and how to ensure compliance with relevant regulations and guidelines.
Section 7: Examples of Affiliate Marketing Websites.
Now let's explore some inspiring examples of affiliate marketing websites that have mastered the art of driving conversions and generating revenue through affiliate partnerships.
1. Amazon Associates.
Amazon offers one of the largest and most well-known affiliate marketing programs, allowing affiliates to promote a wide range of products available on the Amazon platform.
2. Commission Junction, CJ Affiliate.
CJ Affiliate is a popular affiliate network that connects advertisers with publishers. It offers a vast selection of affiliate programs across various industries.
3. ShareASale.
ShareASale is another reputable affiliate network that provides access to thousands of affiliate programs, allowing publishers to monetize their websites and advertisers to reach a wider audience.
4. ClickBank.
ClickBank specializes in digital products and offers a user-friendly platform for affiliates to find and promote digital products, such as ebooks, online courses, software, and more.
5. Rakuten Marketing.
Rakuten Marketing is an affiliate network that connects advertisers with publishers. It offers a diverse range of affiliate programs from well-known brands across different industries.
6. eBay Partner Network.
eBay's affiliate program allows affiliates to earn commissions by promoting eBay products and driving traffic to the platform.
7. Shopify Affiliate Program.
Shopify's affiliate program enables affiliates to earn commissions by referring new merchants to the Shopify platform, making it a great choice for those in the e-commerce space.
8. TripAdvisor.
TripAdvisor offers an affiliate program that allows affiliates to earn commissions by promoting hotel bookings, vacation rentals, and other travel-related
9.
services.
Udemy.
Udemy's affiliate program allows affiliates to earn commissions by promoting online courses offered on the Udemy platform.
10. WordPress Affiliate Program.
WordPress offers an affiliate program that allows affiliates to earn commissions by promoting WordPress themes, plugins, and other related products. These are just a few examples of affiliate marketing websites, but there are many more available across various industries. As an affiliate marketer, you can explore these platforms and choose the ones that align with your niche and target audience.
Congratulations! You've completed an extraordinary journey through the world of affiliate marketing and uncovered its immense benefits for your business. Armed with knowledge, inspiration, and creative ideas, you're now ready to embark on your own affiliate marketing adventure. Remember, the power of partnerships and collaboration can fuel your business growth and take you to new heights. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. Stay tuned for more creative and unique content, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future updates.